Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 12 of chapter 12 proportions, direct and inverse variation. One question is written here. Question number 2. The cost of 140 tennis ball is rupees 4,900. 140 tennis ball cost rupees 4,900. Find the cost of 2 dozen balls. 2 dozen. 2 dozen means 2 into 12 equal to 24. Equal to 24 balls. So write in first column number of ball. Number of balls. And next column write cost. Cost in rupee. So number of balls. Number of balls is 140. And cost of 140 balls is 4,900. 4,900. Next step. Right? 2 dozen balls. That means 24 balls. What will be the cost of 24 balls? So let rupees X. By direct variation. More balls, more cost. Less balls, less cost. One increase, other increase. One decrease, other decrease. It is in direct variation. So by dV, 140 divided by 4,900 equal to 24 by X. By cross multiplication, 140 into X equal to 24 into 4,900. That implies X equal to 140 here multiplied by transposition is changed into divide. So X equal to 24 into 4,900 divided by 140. 10 to 10 cancel. Now 2 times 7 to the 14 and 12 to the 7 to the 14 and 12 to the 24. 7 7 the 49 70 equal to rupees 12 7 the 84 rupees 840 answer. Answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5. In this question, 30 men can finish a piece of work in 28 days. 30 men can finish a piece of work in 28 days. How many days will be taken by 21 men to finish it? So in first column, write number of men. And second column write number of days. So number of men, 30 men, can finish our work in 28 days. Now number of men, 21. So how many days? Let the required number of days be X. More men, less days. Less men, more days. One increase, other decrease. One decrease, other decrease. It is inverse variation. So by IV, by inverse variation. In inverse variation, the product of two quantities are constant. So 21 into X equal to 30 into 28. That implies Ax equal to 30 into 28 divided by 21. 7 times. 7 3 ja 21 and 7 4 ja 28 and 3 10 ja and 10 4 ja 40. 40 days answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7. In this question, 6 pipes can fill a tank in 24 minutes. One pipe can fill 18. So first, in first column write number of pipes. Number of pipes. Time. In second column write time. Time in minute. So number of pipe is 6 pipe. Taken time 24 minutes. Number of pipe is 1. Taken time, suppose x minutes. Suppose x minute. Let x minute the required time. Now pipes increase, time decrease. Pipe decrease, time increase. It is in inverse variation. So by inverse variation, 1 into x equal to 6 into 24. That implies Ax equal to 1 into x equal to 6 into 24 equal to 144 minutes. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9. In this question, 35 men can reap a field in 8 days. In how many days can 20 men reap it? So write in first column number of men. And second column write number of days. Number of men and number of days. So number of men 35. Reap a field in 8 days. Now in how many days can 20 men, number of men is 20. How many days? Let the required number of days be x. So men increase, days decrease. Men decrease, days increase. It is in inverse variation. In inverse variation, the product of two quantities is constant. So 20 into x, right? By inverse variation. By inverse variation. 20 into x equal to 35 into x. That implies ax equal to 35 into 8 by 20. Now divide it 5 times 5 7 ja 35 and 5 4 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8. So it is in 7 to the 14 days. 14 days answer. Understand it, right? Students, next and last question is question number 12. X and y vary directly. When x equal to 3, then y equal to 36. What will be the value of x when y equal to 96? Write in first column x and second column write y. X equal to 3, then y equal to 36. Again, what will be the value of x? So let the value of x be x. When y equal to 96. By direct variation. Student, we know that in direct variation, the ratio of two quantities are constant. So 3 by 36 equal to x by 96. That implies by cross multiplication x into 36 equal to 3 into 96. Now that implies x equal to 3 into 96 by 36. 12 3 ja 36 and 12 8 ja 96. So 8 will be the answer of this question. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 12. Thank you. That's all.